Due to the challenges of the pandemic, couple Maycel and Nolvin Soleta decided to move into a 44 square meter condo near their place of work in Valenzuela City. Interior designer Mazen Castro of Studio Castro and contractor Arte Design Interior Works collaborated to create a cozy home for a family of four. Maycel shares that despite a strict budget, the interior designer was able to make the unit look bigger than it really is, with proper lighting and well thought of storage nooks. A mix of Maycel's preferred Scandinavian design and Mazen's contemporary Filipino resort concept, the condo looks like a comfortable escape in the midst of the city. The common areas have notable pieces, including a sofa bed in the living room backed by mirrors that give the illusion of space. A photo wall separates the dining from the living area while adding a personal touch. A wooden bench sits beneath the frames for guests. The dining area itself is compact and hardworking, featuring bench seats with compartments and an oval dining table customized by Artsmith Furniture Design and Manufacturing. To see more of this home, visit reallivinggonline.ph.